Alright, now we're going to talk about questions where they give you the area of a circle and we need to find the radius or diameter. If you want to be very accurate, you need a calculator for this. But we're going to be given the circle's area, not in terms of pi this time, but an actual number. And we're going to find the radius or diameter of the circle. So here we go. Alright, as you can see here, I have the area of a circle. It's 615.752 square inches. We'll say it's the area of this metal sign. And I want to take it, and what I want to do is find the radius or diameter, maybe to see the diameter, for example, if it's going to fit in a specific place on my wall. And once again, this formula triangle comes up. If I take the area and I divide by pi, I'll get the radius squared. Now you can always stop and take a look at what you have. Obviously we have the area. We're always going to have pi. And I know I can get to the radius squared by taking the area of the circle, dividing by pi, and I'll get my radius squared. So, coming over here, I have 615.752 square inches. I'm going to take that and divide by pi. Once again, area divided by pi equals radius squared. Once I do that on my calculator, I'm actually going to go up here, I get 195.99, this large number. Now that large number right here is the radius squared. Now I'm actually showing all the pieces of the puzzle now, but I'll go through them. Area divided by pi gives me radius squared. So now, very important, you don't have the radius yet. You have the radius squared. Common mistake now is to take this, and I see kids divide by 2. Don't do that. It doesn't give you the radius. We're going to take this radius squared, and we're going to take the square root. Now what we have, after we take the square root, that's our radius right here. Okay? So once again, once you have the radius squared, you need to take the square root to find the radius. And like we said in other videos, if you want the diameter, all you've got to do is double it. So what I'm going to do now is take my radius, and I'm going to double it, multiply it by 2, and I'll get my diameter. So I got my diameter of 27.999962 inches. Okay, and my radius is back up here. We should actually go in and label that as well. Okay, really important to know the labels, because if the radius is 13 feet, then that's a pretty big sign. So again, area divided by pi will give you your radius squared. But remember, you have to take the square root of the radius squared to find the radius. I guess we can add that to our formulas that we're looking at. Okay, so that's how to find the radius or diameter when you have the area.